What up, good people? So today we're going to be replacing the wiper blades on the Gen Coupe. So Rain-X was kind enough to send your boy some Rain-X silicone. As you can see, the wiper blades on the Gen Coupe is not bad, but they're getting there. The wiper blades is up here now is the Rain-X Quantum. This is the silicone 2 times lasting, so it got the same aerodynamics. So you know, when you driving on the freeway and you using the wiper blades and you're on the freeway about 100 miles per hour and it's raining outside, yeah, make the air go over that junk like it's no one business. So it got the spring beam technology with the aerodynamics. Supposed to be easy to install, so if anything, I know on this one you just gotta pop that up like that and boom. If you don't know how to replace your wiper blades, me personally, I have the J hooks, so they're basically hook, snap in and hook on. So when you take the wiper blades off, make sure you put the wiper blades back down because they are metal and it can crack the windshield. I know the wiper blades on the Gen Coupe is 24/20. On the passenger side is 20. On the driver's side is 24. Voila. And that's how you replace a wiper blades on your Genesis Coupe. Like I said, I don't like the way they look, but we're gonna see. So same thing, we'll repeat the same side, bro. Alright, cool, boom. That one look way better. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.